How to fix capped dice on Monopoly Go. Let's jump right into the steps. Very first step is to open Monopoly Go on your phone. Capped dice refers to crooked dice covered on one or more side with irresolute faces. So to fix it, you want to tap on Friends, that is on the bottom right corner. And as you see there, you want to tap on Timeline, and when you add any friend on Monopoly Go, you will be getting free dices. And then you want to tap on Contacts. When you tap Add your contacts on Monopoly Go, you will get 30 free dices. Tap on Wins, and if you do that, you will also be able to get more dices from there. Or the very simple way is to keep on playing the game. That means when you tap on Go, you will able to roll the dice and play the game. And that is also one way to fix capped dices. And that is how you can do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.